Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Blades and Bait. We are back out here at the little park. It's been 2 weeks since I went fishing. Well, frankly, it's been too cold and everything's been frozen over. Hopefully you guys had a good Thanksgiving. It is Black Friday. While everyone else is going nuts shopping today, I'll see if I can do some fishing. Yep, at least today is supposed to be in the 50s and the ponds aren't frozen over anymore. One thing for sure, one thing I noticed about this time of year is that your lures typically, well for me anyway, doesn't really work too well. So I've been sticking it out with natural bait. I don't have much minnows left, so we'll give it a shot. Maybe using the Powerbait minnow. Haven't had much luck in using lures, I do admit, for the past few weeks here. Especially once it becomes cold. But we'll give it a shot, never know. I'll be using me a 2-inch white Powerbait minnow. Last time I did very well with it. And again, last time that I did well using the Powerbait minnow was probably back in October. And what I like to do, I just like to run it right through the middle. There we go. We'll give it a shot with the lures again. You know, as clear as this water is, maybe it's best if I try to use the Berkley Gulp Minnow instead of using this Powerbait here. Let's try using the 2-inch Berkley Gulp Minnow. That's also one thing I've learned, is that the colder it is, the smaller of a profile you want to give it. There you go. I'll give it a shot with a Powerbait minnow and see how well that works out. Well folks, it's been over half an hour now. Tried it out with the lures. Not even a bite on it. Well, I don't have much minnows left. Hopefully I can catch me something. That is the one thing that I notice, especially for this time of the year. It's a lot better to use live bait than it is with the lures. In fact, I haven't really did anything with the lures in pretty much past month. See what we can do. Hopefully we can catch something. Whoa, there we go. Yeah, I did catch something. Ha! Look at that, folks. Small little bass. Look at that, folks. Tiny little, maybe about a 7-inch baby bass. I didn't even realize I had anything. But at least we caught ourselves something. There we go. Not bad. Okay, let's give this guy a try. Again, with me, I prefer sticking it right through the body, right underneath the fins. It just gives a lot more action instead of nose hooking it. That's my personal opinion. But let's give it a shot with a live minnow, see if we can do any better with that. Not bad. First few casts using the minnow, I already caught me a bass. Little guy, but still caught me a bass. Half an hour I was trying to use the Powerbait and I didn't catch anything. One thing for sure, they are right. During the fall season, it's better using minnows than it is using worms. Yes! Caught me something. Oh, caught us a bluegill. Good sized bluegill. Ow. Look at that, folks. About the second cast or third cast in, we caught ourselves one bass and one bluegill. Good size. It's probably about a 7-inch bluegill. Not too shabby, folks. Look at that. There we go. Which just shows you, when nothing works, it doesn't hurt to go back with the basics, folks. At least you'll still have a chance of catching something. I did manage to catch 2 bluegills and a bass earlier at the little park. But it took us well over 2+ hours just catching them. I do admit, once the temperature drops, it is getting harder and harder to catch anything. Yeah, so far, all the fish that I caught within this past couple of weeks, or past few weeks, has had just going back to the basics, folks. And I'll just be using my simple float setup. I've been trying to use everything, but so far, the only thing that works is just your live bait. Now, let's see if we can catch us something. Yeah, I was surprised that I even caught me that bass. One thing for sure, once the temperature drops below 50, the bass aren't really biting anymore. In fact, the wind is picking up, where earlier it did feel pretty nice. I actually took off my coat. Now I have to put it back on. Yes, there we go, folks. Ooh, big one. There it is. Oh. He is ice cold, but that is a good size sunfish, folks. Look at that. That is about a 7-inch sunfish. Nice. Okay, folks, we've been out here for a little bit. I I'm not catching anything else, but it just proves to you, just because it's cold outside doesn't mean you have to stop fishing. Granted, what I caught today was nothing impressive, but at least I didn't get skunked, and I still managed to catch me some. Anyway guys, I'll be taking off. If you guys like this video, please smash that like and leave your comments down below, folks. Please consider subscribing for some more fishing, knives, and kit videos. You guys take care, and I'll talk to you later.